TLS is go for orbiter access arm retract.
The orbiter access arm is now being retracted away from the vehicle. This is the walkway used by the crew to gain entry into and out of the vehicle, and it can be returned to position within seconds if need be.
And 0 PSOTC, we go to start APU and hydraulics to joint recorders. Yeah, yes, copy. Go for approach sequence 4.
And a final test of the flight control surfaces will soon be conducted. This is a program pattern of movements designed to verify the readiness for launch of the engines and other flight control surfaces. The final air surface checks of the orbiter's flaps and rudder are being completed. This verifies the orbiter's hydraulic systems are up and running. And the three main engines are being gibbled for a final test before launch. T-minus 2 minutes, 30 seconds, and counting. And the gaseous oxygen vent hood is slowly being retracted away from the top of the external tank.
Copy, and flight crew, you have a go to close and lock your visors, initiate O2 flow. Godspeed, Columbia, on a truly international mission in space.
We're that work, and I'd like to thank you all very much. And with a request from my crew, arrivederci, au revoir, auf Wiedersehen, and adios. We'll see you in a couple weeks.
They're transferring to orbital internal power at this time. Columbia is now running off its 3 main onboard fuel cells. Coming up for a go for auto sequence start.
TLS is go for auto sequence.
And we have a go for auto sequence start. Columbia's onboard computers have primary control of all the vehicle's critical functions. T-minus 20 seconds. T-minus 15 seconds. T-minus 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. We have a go for main engine. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we have liftoff of the Space Shuttle Columbia, continuing space research through Tethered Satellite technology.
Roger roll, Columbia.
Houston now controlling. Columbia rolling on course for a 28.5 degree inclination orbit.
Gauge is showing 45% on the left.
Roger, stand by.
We're showing good help.
Columbia, we're showing good engines, good commands on all 3.
Okay, thank you much.
Good call with that. All engines operating well on board Columbia. Columbia's engines now throttling down to 2/3 throttle to prepare the spacecraft to pass through the area of maximum air pressure and go supersonic.
Okay, Houston, we copy that. It's just our bias on the TC gauge.
And Columbia, you're go at throttle up.
Go at throttle up.
3 engines on board now back at full throttle. The crew reporting a errant gauge on board. However, all indications for the engines are that they're operating well. Again, back at full throttle. Altitude now 69,000 feet. Downrange from the launch pad, 8 nautical miles. Columbia already traveling 2,000 miles per hour. Flight controllers standing by at 2 minutes after launch for burnout and jettison of the twin solid rockets. Booster officer confirms a good separation of the twin solid rockets. Columbia now on its second stage main engines. 3 main engines again operating well at full throttle.
Columbia, performance nominal.
Copy, nominal performance.
6 minutes till cutoff of the main engines. Columbia's altitude now 33 nautical miles. Columbia's speed now 6,200 miles per hour. Columbia's trajectory will level off at this point as it accelerates to the east, almost tripling its current speed to reach the 17,400 miles per hour required for orbit.